Okay. Now, Madhvi, read the question number 1. Exercise 9.3, read the question number 1. Good. So, the figure is given here, 9 point this. Take out your classwork copy and start writing. Given is AD is a median. AD is a median. तो हमें यहाँ से जो therefore BD is equal to CD. Now we have to show that area of triangle ABE is equal to area of triangle ABC. We have to show that area of triangle ABE. ABE is here and area of AAC E. ABE is here, ACE is here. Means we have to show that the area of this is equal to this. Clear? Ticked portion. Now we know that AD is a median. The BD is equal to CD. So now the proof starts. BD is equal to CD as AD is given, sorry, or you can write AD is a median. Now, area of ABD is equal to area of ACD. We know that ki median divides the base or median divides the triangle in two equal halves. So that is why area of ABD is equal to area of this. This is the first. Clear? And और if you want to write तो यहाँ पे लिख सकते हो median divides the triangle in two equal halves. Clear? Okay. Now we know that the AD is the median. So AD is the median on BC. So we write BD is equal to CD and AD is the median. Area of this is equal to this. The first median divides the triangle in two equal uh, part. This is in the triangle. This is in the ABC. If we are talking about in triangle EBC, same BD is equal to BD is equal to CD. Therefore, ED is the median. AD is a median. ये समझ में आया कि नहीं आया? This is very much important. We know that AD is a median and it divides the base into equal halves. Means BD is equal to CD. If we are in a triangle EBC, this is also a median. Yes, this is also this is also a median. So if it is a median, ED is a median, so the area of EBD is equal to area of ECD. And this is the second. By the same reason, median divides the triangle in two parts. Divides the triangle in two equal parts or halves. Whatever you want to write, लिख सकते हो. Halves and parts are the same. Now, now we have two equations. We just subtract this equation. If we write subtract equation 1 and 2, we get. Now you see ABD, this is the ABD, and if we subtract EBD, whatever the leftover, Madhvi, please, can you please tell me what is the leftover? If we subtract area of triangle ABD minus EBD, what is the leftover? What is the leftover? What do you say? Ah, it's okay, no problem. Area, not triangle. Area of ABE. And the same for the second side. Second side, tell me the second side also. We get second side AB. हाँ area of ACE. Whatever. हमारे पास क्वेश्चन में जो लिखा हुआ है वो हम लिख सकते हैं और अपना भी लिख सकते हैं ACE. सो हमें यही प्रूव करना था. Yes, clear? Copied? Good. Now the question number 2 is the homework, but I will explain. I will explain or not steps. You have to write the steps properly because it's a geometry portion. तो सबको steps लिखना है properly. But I can give you a idea related to the question number 2. Then you can do your own. You have to write the steps whatever required in the question or answer or solution whatever. Now see question number 2. And Saloni is the second girl in the class. Read the question number 2. Please read the question number 2. Mm-hmm. ठीक है. Now the question number 2. This is the triangle A, B, C, and this is the median D, and there is a point, midpoint. E is a midpoint of AD. What is the given here? Now the given is AD is a median. So BD is equal to CD. ये चीज हमें मिलेगा. And the second given is E is a midpoint of AD. Yes, clear? AD इज द मीडियन, तो उससे हमारे पास ये कंक्लूजन है, हम लिख लेते हैं क्योंकि हम कर रहे हैं सॉल्व, तो इट विल बी इजी ड्यूरिंग राइटिंग. एंड E is the midpoint. E is the midpoint means that AE is equal to DE. Okay. Now we have to prove. अब ये प्रूफ लिखना है, उसके बाद का स्टेप तुम्हें खुद लिखना है, मैं बस इसको एक्सप्लेन करूंगा. प्रूफ area of BED. Don't write it because this is the question. This is the homework. तो इसको बस समझ लो कि क्या करना है, and you can write your own. Now see, BED मतलब ये है, इसका इसका मतलब ये है कि हमारे को इन चारों ट्राइंगल्स का एरिया सिमिलर करना है, और उसके बाद उसको हम ये लिख सकते हैं, इफ द फोर एरियाज आर इक्वल देन वी से दैट एनी ऑफ द ट्राइंगल, इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी फॉर एरिया ऑफ बीईडी, you can write area of AEB is equal to 1/4 area of triangle ABC basically. तो ये स्टेप्स हैं, इसमें ये तो लिखना ही लिखना. जब हम प्रूफ स्टार्ट करेंगे, तो हम इसमें प्रूफ के लिए क्या करेंगे, जो अभी हमने फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में किया है वही चीज करेंगे. सी इसमें लिखेंगे हम क्या कि BD इज इक्वल टू CD. अब अपना स्टेप्स क्रिएट करना है. BD is equal to CD. So area of ABD is equal to area of ADC. ठीक है. Now E is the midpoint. नहीं सॉरी, ये लिख दिया, उसके बाद दोबारा लिखेंगे BD is equal to CD. So this is in triangle EBC and this is in triangle ABC. Now the area of EBD is equal to area of, you can write the reason and mark it 1. Now the area of ECD, this is 2 and you can write the reason. What is the reason? If we subtract, अगर हम इसे subtract करेंगे, if we subtract this, so this is equal to this and now this is equal to this. ये तो हम इससे कर देंगे and then we have to prove this. अब हमें क्या, ये तो हो गया. अब now you see, by proving this, this is equal to this and this is equal to this, ये हो जाएगा. But now we have to prove this is equal to this and this is equal to this. So for this, for in triangle ABD, BE is the median. Sorry, don't write like this. Write AE is equal to DE. Therefore, BE is a median. So, area of BDE is equal to area of AEB. और उसके बाद फिर हम सिमिलरली लिख सकते हैं, दिस area of like DCE is equal to area of ADC. Now this is equal to this is equal to this, and now this is equal to this, and this is equal to this. So it means that all the four are equal. All the four are equal. Is there any doubt? किसी को नहीं समझ में आया तो प्लीज आस्क. Clear or not? Till here, the question is clear. Okay. Now we know that the area of 4 is equal. Then we can write, if we know that the all, according to, you can put the equation number 1, 1, 2 is there. Now 3, 4, 3, 4, whatever the equation number, and then you can write from from equation 3, 4, 5 and 6. 5 and 6 we get area of.
Now see, area of ABC is equal to area of ABD plus area of, so you can write the 4. After that you can write all are same. So 4 area ABD, whatever ABD हमें यूज करना है क्या यूज करना है, BED. 4 area BED, and here we can write this ABC, and after that we can shift here. So it will be 1 upon 4 area ABC is equal to area of BAB. Is that clear or not? My voice is audible now? My voice is audible? My voice is audible? Madhvi, my voice is audible or not?